Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to get DoorDash promo codes. So if you also want to get DoorDash promo codes, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.couponfollow.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of CouponFollow. If you know any other website that offers you DoorDash promo code, you can also open that website. Here you'll be able to search for a store. Simply click on the search bar. Now type in DoorDash. Now here you'll be able to see the option for DoorDash. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see several promo codes of DoorDash. Scroll down for more options. You can get the codes for 45% off, $10 off, 40% off, $10 off, $15 off, 35% off, 40% off, 25% off, 30% off, etc. Select the code that you want to apply. Now click on the option Show Coupon Code. Now here you'll be able to see the code. Here you'll be able to find the option for copy. All you have to do is click on it. Now paste this code in the promo code section of DoorDash. After that, this promo code will be applied. So that is how you get DoorDash promo codes. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.